So karon na ata sa aksyon reivindicatoria. This is an action to recover ownership, also brought in the proper regional trial court in an ordinary civil proceeding. Okay. Action reivindicatoria or action reivindication is thus an action whereby the plaintiff alleges ownership. So imong pagpasaka sa kaso, imong right is anchored upon the right of ownership. Kay kung mo-file mo kag kaso, dapat na kay cause of action. Ang cause of action nimo, ang requisites nimo ni you have the right and there is the violation of that right. So ang na-violate diri nga right is your right to possession. But that right to possession originates or seeks foundation from your right of ownership. Okay? So the plaintiff alleges ownership over a parcel of land and seeks recovery of its full possession. It is a suit to recover possession of a parcel of land as an element of ownership. The judgment in such a case determines the ownership of the property and awards possession of the property to the lawful owner. It is different from action interdictal or action publicana, where plaintiff merely alleges proof of a better right to possess without claim of title. Okay? So, katong kaning action interdictal o publicana, ang basis nimo ani sa pagpasaka sa kaso is imong right to possess. Let's just say dili ikaw tagiya pero ikay ga possess ana nga property, ikay ga puyo. Di man ka pwede papahawaon nan diha nga either you move out voluntarily or you move out because there is a court order, no? So kung wa po kay katungod mo possess, dapat move out ka voluntarily. Kay kung dili, kihaon ka, posible ka liable for damages or whatever consequences sa imuhang illegal occupation sa property. Okay? So, mo na siya ang action interdictal o action publicana. Yung nga mga kasuha, imuhang right, pagpapahawa sa katong intruder based on your right to possess. Regardless kung ikitagiya or dili. Pero kayong sa reivindicatoria, kailangan ikaw tagiya. Kay tungod ikaw tagiya sa realty, real estate, ikaw makoy na ay right to possess. Thus, na kay right of action, na po kay cause of action para mo pasaka sa kaso. On the basis of the above discussions, it is clear that the lower courts did not err in ruling that the suits filed by petitioners are action reivindicatoria, not action publicana, as petitioners seek to recover possession of the subject lots on the basis of their ownership thereof. Recovery of possession on the basis of their ownership thereof. That is the essence of action reivindicatoria. So the main issue, no, there is no dispute na ang regional trial court decision o ang Court of Appeals decision used by the first level court in this case, in this present case, are the basis in holding that the petitioners are owners of the subject properties and are thus entitled to legal possession thereof, and judgments on a previous case for action reivindicatoria, which was filed by the petitioners against persons other than herein respondents, no? It is settled that a judgment directing a party to deliver, to deliver possession of a property to another is in personam, meaning it binds only the parties it only binds the persons who were parties to that case. Muna action in personam. It is not an action in rem. Sa action in rem, maski wa kay labot na nakasuha, that decision will be binding upon you. No? It is conclusive not against the whole world. Muna action in personam. Ang action in rem, it is conclusive against the whole world. Usually, ang exception ani against the state, the Republic of the Philippines. No? It is conclusive not against the whole world, but only between the parties and their successors in interest by title subsequent to the commencement of the action. An action to recover a parcel of land is a real action, but it is an action in personam. It is a real action because it involves real property. It is an action in personam because it binds only the parties. It only binds the parties to that case, or it only affects the persons who are parties to that case. Muna action in personam. it binds a particular individual only. So sumpayan na to kani nga mga individuals usually mao ni sila ang mga impleaded ana nga mga kasuha. Although it concerns the right to a tangible thing, no? Any judgment therein is binding only upon the parties properly impleaded and duly heard or given an opportunity to be heard. Okay? However, this rule admits of the exception, no? Of an exception. So kato siya mo to'y general rule. It binds only the persons who were parties to that case. Action in personam. Action in personam binds only the parties to that case. While lambot ang katong wala ma-implead or those people or persons who were not given the opportunity to exercise the right to be heard. Okay? So, unsa may exception? So, mo na yato ang istoryaan sa sunod nga video. The exception to the general rule. So again, kakuhangyo to our viewers, send links year 2025 updates on these topics. Kanilang akong hilig kay diri raman pod nga area akong practice. Imo ko sendan og update sa election law or mga kanang mga lalom na kayo nga mga criminal law that is not my kanang cup of tea. Wala man ta diha trabaho. So diri lang pod kay maka-share ko ninyo, maka-explain ko unsay inyohang ma-share sa ako nga links. I can try to summarize it, explain it, and talk about it in this video. And hopefully, no, it will be a symbiotic relationship. Share mo na kong updates because I cannot keep track of everything and I can try to share the updates you shared to me through my channel. Okay? So, this is our advocacy sa aning nga channel. Okay? Mo na nga mo request kong link sa mga 2025 updates para ma-share po nako sa ato ang listeners and viewers. Okay? So, kaniya to is how to avoid land disputes. And syempre, ang ako diri kini sa bottom part, choose peace. Atong advocacy is to teach us, all of us, how to choose peace in our means, ways, and ending if you are about to be part of a land dispute or you are already part of any form of land dispute. So send me links na akong email and WhatsApp or Viber. 2025 year 2025 updates on real estate related matters. Links lang, but please only from gov.ph websites, official websites lang sa government. Okay? So I'll see you sa next video and let's talk about the exception to the general rule.